Welcome back, Coin Collector's Corner. Today we have something truly special to discuss: the UK 10 new pence 1969 coin. We'll be diving into its history, rarity, and even checking out its recent auction prices at Heritage. Let's get started. The UK 10 new pence coin was first introduced in 1968 as part of the UK's decimalisation process. The 1969 edition was one of the early releases in this series. These coins were initially made of nickel brass, with a diameter of 28.5 millimeters and featuring a beautiful design on the reverse side showcasing a lion and a unicorn. Now, why is the 1969 UK 10 new pence coin of interest to collectors? Well, it's because of its limited mintage. The 1969 edition had a relatively low production compared to later years. The highest-priced coin recently sold at Heritage auctions was in mint condition and fetched an impressive $100,000. Coins in very good condition have also been performing well, with some selling for around $120,000. Even coins in lesser conditions can be valuable to collectors. Some have sold for $91,000 recently. So, there you have it, the UK 10 new pence 1969 coin, a true gem for collectors.